Hi, I'm Marna and I had an idea. I have a challenge for all of you doll collectors and doll reviewers and anybody that does doll videos. I had this idea, I kind of got it from Jeffrey Steinman's reviews. He does a month of Ariel and I was thinking we should do a week of Monster High. Anything you want to do. Should just show your collection or do DIYs, show how to do their hair, maybe do a complete makeover change on one, any size, doesn't matter. Just do a Monster High video or a whole week's worth. What if we did those? Here's your challenge. You have time to think about it, get ready and start filming. If we did that October 25th through October 31st, we would fill YouTube with Monster High for Halloween. Thank you. Leave a comment below if you're interested in doing this. Please like and subscribe. And one more thing, please share this video everywhere you can. Let all the doll people out there know that we're going to have this fun-filled Halloween Monster High week.